Hey, my dear friends. I hope wherever you are, you're safe, healthy, energetic, and happy. Hope everything's been going your way so far. Today, I'm here with a new video on how to install Windows 11 without having to enter a Microsoft account, so you can set up Windows 11 and enjoy it. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell, so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. You'll see the notification and can check it out and enjoy it to the fullest. Alright guys, the first step is that we need to download Windows 11. Just search for Download Windows 11 in your browser. As you can see, the official Microsoft website comes up. Just click on the very first site and it'll open up a page like this for you. It says here, Download Windows 11 version 24H2. Scroll down a little and pay attention here. It says, Download Windows 11 disk image, ISO, 64-bit. You click here to select the ISO version you want. After clicking, hit the button below to download. Wait a few moments, and here it'll ask you which language you want. Yeah, download this Windows version. As you can see, the languages here include Arabic, Brazilian, Bulgarian, Chinese, English, and so on. Now, there are other languages too, but for example, I'll choose English. Click on Confirm, and after a moment, it'll give you a file code here that's valid for 24 hours, so you can download the file using that code. When you click on Download 64-bit, as you can see, it opens up here, and you can also see the file size. It's 5.41 megabytes, so you can easily download it. Once we've downloaded this Windows, we need a program called Rufus. You can easily download Rufus for free from various websites you probably already know. It's really easy to extract the file and use it. I've also plugged in a flash drive here. I connect it to the device and open the Rufus program. As you can see, I'm launching Rufus. When I open it, it asks if I want to get the latest update for the program. I say no. And when you open it, the first item you see is the flash drive you plugged into your device. It has to be at least 8 gigabytes, because if you look closely, the Windows file itself is almost 6 gigabytes. Actually, it's 5.41 gigabytes. So the flash drive you connect to your device to install Windows on must be big enough to hold the Windows file and let you install it on your device. That's why it needs to be more than 8 gigabytes. Now, here I have a flash drive ready. It's a 28 gigabyte flash drive. The flash drive is already selected here, and as you can see, I've only plugged in one flash drive to the device, so this is the only one. Here, in this section, it asks you to tell it where your ISO file is located. We click on Select As. On my desktop, as you can see, it says Windows 11 right there. It's version 24H2 and 64-bit. When I click on it, it opens up a format like this below. It says it's a standard Windows, the partition is GPT, and it will write it to your flash drive in UEFI format. The name of your flash drive will also change to this, and you absolutely have to set the format for the flash drive to NTFS and then click the Start button. Here, it asks you if you want me to format your flash drive. You say yes, format the flash drive, and first of all, it formats the flash drive. Then it starts, and right at the bottom of the page, a bar appeared, showing that it formatted the flash drive and started the process. It begins creating windows on the flash drive, converting the ISO file to a bootable Windows flash drive, or basically your Windows. Here, we just wait for these steps to finish. They show you what happens when the steps are done. Guys, right where you see it, the bootable flash drive is finished. And at the very end, you can just close it. Right there, as you can see, it has detected a device. These are the steps for writing the ISO file to the flash drive. The Rufus program is finished. Alright guys, let's continue with the video so I can show you from the very beginning how you can install it. You install Windows. You restart your computer so it boots up. After you restart, hold down the Delete or F2 key until your BIOS screen comes up, just like this. As you can see, it says to hold down the Delete or F2 key to enter your BIOS. Here, it shows your hardware information. If you press the F7 key, you'll enter the Advanced Mode section. Right here, first we are going to navigate over to the boot settings menu and select them. Now pay very close attention. First, I'm going to set Windows to UEFI options 1 and 2, which represent the bootable flash drives we prepared. Please make sure to do exactly the same on your screen, and as you can clearly see right here, I'm showing you UEFI 1 and 2, and the third option is our own hard drive. Now let's go to the exit section. We select Save, Change, and Reset. We click OK, so the device resets and brings up the Windows installation section again. Alright, the device is reset. As you can see, the Windows 11 installation logo has appeared. Now, in this tab, guys, you can choose which language you want to install and set your time zone. You can change its format here, and in the second tab, it's your keyboard settings, which it tells you about, and in the next tab, in the third tab, we select Install Windows 11, check the box at the bottom, and click Next. Here, guys, are the explanations and license agreement. For Windows 11 itself, that's the explanation you see there. We click Accept. Alright guys, this is where you need to select your drive, or the drive you want to install Windows on, and format it. As you can see, I'm formatting drive C, which is 500 gigabytes right now. I wait a few moments for it to format, and once it's done, I select the same drive again. I click on it and hit Next. Now it's showing that it's about to install Windows, so I click Install. Guys, this process takes a while to go from 5% to 100%. Alright, now it's at 77%, and it started restarting the system. The system has restarted. Alright, is it installing here? It's installing Windows from 0% to 100%. Guys, the system restarted again. Okay guys, Windows is installed. Now here, it's gonna ask you a few items, like your country and stuff. Guys, don't do anything here. Don't click yes or next here, guys. You need to press the Shift and F10 keys. A window like this will open for you, and here, guys, you type OOB bypass NRO and hit enter. This process will restart your system. It will show that Windows is 100% installed on your system. This was so that you wouldn't have to use a Microsoft account anymore. Now, some people want to have a Microsoft account or have it activated on their Windows. That's why, when you enter this code and hit enter, the computer will restart. That means you've passed this step, and those three options will come up again from the beginning, where you choose the country you want. You select one option for your keyboard, and then select another option. You skip this part, and here, as you can see, you click on I don't have internet. If you hadn't entered that code, this option wouldn't be enabled for you. Here, you choose your computer's name. Then we click Next. Here it asks for a password, but you can skip it and just click Next. And here it will ask you. Now that, for the information it asks for, you can just select yes or no and click Next. And as you can see, it moves on. Windows installs really easily. It finished without you having to enter a Microsoft account. And with the code I showed you, you can easily skip that step. We wait a few moments for the main Windows menu to load up. Alright guys, Windows is installed, and as you can see, Windows booted up without any problems, guys. If you want to activate your Windows, you can easily go to the websites you know and do it there. Download the Windows 11 activation tool and extract the file. It's really easy. And make sure, absolutely make sure, that your antivirus or Windows Defender on your computer is turned off. And once you've successfully disabled the software, you can go ahead and easily complete the activation of your Windows. I'll also walk you through the exact steps to turn off your Windows Defender security settings. Click on this option, on this icon, which is Windows Security. That's Windows Defender. Then select the first option, and here where it says, click on Virus and Threat Protection, then select the first option and set it to off. As you can see, your Windows Defender is now turned off, and you can easily use the program to activate Windows 11 offline. Download it from the available websites, you know which ones, and then run the file. Install it, then restart your system once, and you'll have a fresh, clean Windows 11. Thanks a lot for sticking with me until the end of the video. I really appreciate it. Please like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell, so that every time I upload a new video, you'll get notified and can check it out. Hope you enjoy it. Wishing you all lots of money and success. Secondly, stay healthy. Third, be happy. Until the next video, goodbye.